Okay, we have here the Happy Birthday Squeaker. And right there is a dog who would very much like to have that. Can I have it, Roxy? Come here. Come here, Roxy.
Are you out of your mind?
Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. It's Roxy's birthday. Roxy, can I have it? Can I have it, huh? That's one happy dog.